Hi everybody, this is a very tired Robo. Yeah, you can call me Robo, everybody else does. So what you do is you take this download, which I have in the email I sent you, and you burn yourself a disk and you install the Ubuntu 24. Please select the minimal. There's no reason to have a bunch of rubbish, and that's up to you. The other file you see in here is my build custom series 14. Inside this folder is going to be hundreds and hundreds of hours of bug fixing, and so that's what I did, and I just wanted to show you the work I did. So I'm going to I probably will change up these icons. I'm not really particularly excited about them. And I will put you will need AnyDesk installed after you've installed Ubuntu 24.04, and then I can log in and I can go to these files that I showed you here, and I can go in and fix everything and make it perfect. And I wouldn't have to do that if there was actually a real ISO burner that worked. I've tried 2 or 3 of them. All they do is produce bugs and make people's lives impossible by requiring you to log in into the live version with stupid garbage like let's see, live and then passwords with evolution. And I'm just, I've always been a perfectionist, and that's what I'm here to do for you. So it will take a little time. I'm building my own ISO burner, app, be an app. It's going to take a lot of time. Do it myself if I have to. And so here's what you're going to get when you and it's free. I made it free for you so you can enjoy my work. If you've bought 14 Plus, which of course can be installed just by clicking a button, I will, if you set up an appointment with me using AnyDesk, I'll log in and I'll get you everything that you see right here. And life will be, actually it's probably better just to have me do it all. You don't have to do any work. You can just sit and watch. I've been doing this work actually since I've been coding since 1984. And if you were to do a search on John Martinson, you'll find that I've never, not even one time, have I ever hacked or done anything. And of course, what you do is you build a Ubuntu 24.04 with nothing. I mean, no data on it. Just that way, you don't have to worry about me doing something nefarious, which of course I never would anyway. And I've proven that over the years. So there are other things I probably want to put in here. So I'll continue working on this, but I can always update you automatically through our Robolinux upgrade mechanism that you've grown used to. So that's what this video really is all about, is showing you the proof that I can do this work. But again, you don't have to pay anything for me to log in. Oddly, and proudly, I have to say that I can do this work using this secret sauce that's in my tar file, where I can make everything look just like you installed it from Robolinux. You'll see it in the boot ups, the shutdowns. You'll see the logos everywhere. You'll you'll feel like it's not Ubuntu 2404. Now, let me just give you a very important caveat, and that is that you should never install a 2404 or even Robolinux Series 14 unless your machine was built or manufactured in 24 or later, 25 at this point. Anything sort of around, kind of 2021, I would stick with 12 plus. Everything's going to be available on the website. And now at this point, I ended up getting sick, and I'm going to have to take a couple days off. I had to take antibiotics. I overdid it. So there you have it. I know it's a sad story, but the reality is I'm here for you, and I want you to know that. And so that's why you're going to see this video in this email that explains that I will do this work for you for free as long as you don't have 25 or 30 complicated partitions that I have to go mess with. If you bring me that, that's okay. I mean, I can work around your extra work, but you will need to pay me. Right now, you don't have to pay me unless you've got. In fact, the only thing you need is 14 plus upgrade, and that's available right now, as you can see right here through the installers. So that pretty much covers it. I have to say that the reason that I hadn't come out with any new versions of Robolinux since Series 12 was simply because 2204 and 24 whatever, 04 we're so riddled with bugs that I've been working months and months and months trying to figure out how to get rid of them, and so that I could actually bring you something that will work on new machines, and that's what this file here is all about: building custom Series 14 where you have no bugs, and you users are used to that. You know that Robo is a superfluous perfectionist. And I don't mind bragging about that. I have many millions of free users. Very few. I have less than 700 people who actually once in their life ever made a donation. But so take advantage of the email I just sent you, and if you don't trust me, well, then I'm really sorry, but then get on the internet and do 1,000 searches and see how many times Robo or John Martinson has ever done anything nefarious, and you'll find that just isn't true, and you can trust me. And so I'm here for you. Much love for those who did donate, and that's another point. Those who donated over $40 or more from the 10th to the 12th of June, I'll still do everything for free. Okay, everything, no problem. Okay, but those who haven't bought 14 plus, it's the $64.95 with the tax or whatever, the PayPal mafia tax. But it's worth it because you're going to see, when you watch me in any desk, I think it'd be a lot of fun for you. You'll watch me in 30 minutes build you an entire custom Robolinux Series 14 Cinnamon version 14.1, and you might even learn something. And if you have questions, of course, I'm always available to educate or help or do whatever I can for you. And so there it is. I'm very tired. I'm sick now, and I've got to go. Take care.